Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. Yes, in this today's class I am going to discuss quantitative aptitude Karnataka KSET upcoming exam. Exam will be December 31st. Then here in this class I am going to discuss quantitative aptitude. In that one the topic is speed, distance and time. Then here I will discuss how to solve the problem based on the topic speed, distance and time, and also I will tell the shortcut to solve the problems. Okay. Quantitative aptitude here, then the topic is speed, distance and time. Let us move to the first question. I will zoom, then it will help for you to understand properly. Okay. Okay. First question. A boy increases its speed to 9/5 times of its original speed. By this, he reaches his school 30 minutes before the usual time. Then how much time does he takes usually? Here, this topic is mainly based on speed, distance and time. Then here, in any of these questions, they will give one quantity same. Either speed may be same, either distance may be same, either time it will be same. Then you have to equate any two, then you will get the answer. You know the formula, speed it will be equal to distance divided by time. This one you have to remember, speed it will be equal to distance divided by time. Once again I will read the question. A boy increases its speed to 9/5 times of its original speed. Consider the original speed as S1. Then the speed change consider as S2. Okay. Then here the speed S2 it will be changed how many times? 9/5 times of S1. Consider S1 as the initial speed. Consider S1 as the initial one. Then S2 with the change in speed. Understanding the question here very important. When you understand the question, easily you can solve. Yes, here speed, this is the actual speed or original speed, you can consider S1. Then S2 will be the change in speed. Otherwise, if once the boy increased the speed, this S2 it will be the increased speed. Then how much it is increased? 9/5 times of its original speed S1. By this he reaches his school 30 minutes late. Time also it will be different. The time before, consider the time here T1 before time, then T2 it will be change in time, it will be 30 plus T1. Why 30 plus T1? Because 30 minutes before the usual time. 30 minutes before means we have to do subtraction. More means late means you have to add. But here they are given 30 minutes before. Late means you have to subtract. But here they are given before. Before means T1 minus 30 before timings. Okay. T1, S1, T1 these are the original timings, then original speed. Then S2, T2 it will be the change in time and also change in speed once the speed is increased. Then here Otherwise I will write here T1 it will be same, T2 it will be T1 minus 30 because 30 minutes early before he will reach the time. Then how much time does he takes usually? But here one thing you have to observe, the distance it will be same. Distance it will not change, the distance it will be same. Then you can equate the distance. Distance it will be change. You can observe change in speed, and also when change in speed then you will observe a change in time. Then according to the equation you know speed it will be distance divided by time. Then distance it will be speed into time. You can consider capital also, small also, that is your wish. Okay, I will consider all capital only, then it will be easy for you. Then distance divided by time, then distance it will be S1 T1. Then here they are given in the question distance it will be same. Okay, then here distance it will be same for both the case, distance you can equate. Then S1 T1 it will be equal to S2 and T2. S1 T1 is the original speed and original time, how much you take S1. Then original S1 it will be equal to what is the speed S1, write it as it is. Then S2 it will be 9 by 5 times of S1, already we know. Then T2 it will be T1 minus 30, correct? Yes, let us check. T1 minus 30. Okay, then here S1 it will get cancelled. Then T1 it will be 9 by 5 times of T1 minus 30. Then cross multiply 5 into T1, it will be multiply this one with 9 T1 minus 30 into 9 it will be 270. Then consider here, otherwise shift here. Okay, shift here. Then 4T1 subtract 9 minus 5 is 4T1, it will be equal to 270. Then T1 it will be equal to 270 divided by 4, it will be 67.5 minutes. This is the time taken. If you increase the speed 9 by 5 times of the original speed, then how much time he will take? 67.5 minutes. Let us discuss the question one more time. I will read the question. A boy increases his speed to 9 by 5 times his original speed. Speed is increased this much, okay, times. Then by this he reaches his school 30 minutes before. 30 minutes before means you have to do T1 minus 30. How much time does he takes usually? How much time he will take usually? What is the time? Usual time it will be T1. Otherwise original time, usual time you can consider T1 it will be 67.5 minutes. Sometime they will give to calculate even T2 also. Okay, then how you will calculate T2? T2 it will be the original T1 minus 30, subtract, you will get T2 also. Let us move to the next question. Simple questions, but you have to know how to solve the questions. It will be easy for you. Then next question, question number 2. Ramesh sees a thief at a distance of 80 meter. I will write the diagram first. See here the position of the Ramesh, here the position of the thief. Okay, Then here this is the distance. Then Ramesh sees a thief at a distance of 80 meter. The distance between the Ramesh and thief in the beginning, it will be 80 meter, not 8 meter, 80 meter. This is the 80 meter. Ramesh sees a thief at a distance of 80 meter. Ramesh starts chasing the thief who is running at a speed of 5 meter per second. This thief, he is running with the speed of 5 meter per second. Okay. Then Ramesh chasing him with a speed of 7 meter per second. Then speed of the Ramesh, it will be 7 meter per second. How much distance does the thief cover before Ramesh catches him? Then after some distance, both Ramesh and thief, both they will meet at a single point. Then only the Ramesh, he can catch the thief. Then how much distance? That distance you have to calculate. Let us consider the distance, it will be d meter. And everyone understood the question? Very easy question. When you draw the diagram, it will be very easy. Then already you know time, it will be, they are not mentioned about the time. The time, it will be, yes, okay. Ramesh sees a thief at a distance of 80 meter. Then Ramesh start chasing the thief who is running at a speed of 5 meter per second. Okay, then he started running. Then thief speed, it will be 5 meter per second. Then Ramesh speed, it will be 7 meter per second. Then both the speed of the Ramesh, it will be more. Then fastly he will move. Then he can catch the thief. Then here the time taken by Ramesh and the thief, both the time, it will be same here. Time, it will be same. That one you have to remember. Then here time taken by Ramesh, it will be equal to time taken by thief. Then you know speed, it will be distance divided by time. Then here time, it will be equal to distance divided by speed. Consider for Ramesh, consider Ramesh for dr, it will be dr divided by sr. Sr means speed of Ramesh, then distance taken by the Ramesh. Then this time taken by thief, it will be dt divided by ds. Then substitute here distance of Ramesh before, it will be, see, from here to here, before when he saw the thief, it will be 80 meter. Then how much total distance, how much he has to cover? 80 plus d. Then distance, it will be 80 plus d in case of Ramesh divided by speed, it will be, already they are given in the question, speed, it will be 7 meter per second. Then this, it will be equal to, then distance of thief, how much distance he will cover, that one we have to calculate, consider as d divided by, then how much speed, speed will be 5 kilometer per hour. Then cross multiply 5 into 80 plus d, it will be equal to 7 into d. Then this, it will be, correct, no? Then 8 5s are how much? 400. 80 into 5 plus 5d, it will be equal to 7d. Then 2d, it will be equal to 400. Then distance, it will be equal to 400 divided by 2, it will be 200 meter. How much distance he will cover? That distance, it will be here, this distance, it will be 200 meter. When you understand the question, it will be very easy for you to solve the question. Okay, very easy question. What is the distance? How much distance does the thief cover before Ramesh catches him. That it will be 20 meter. Here the time taken by Ramesh and time taken by thief to cover a certain distance, time it will be equal. Then you can apply this one. Okay, let us move to the next question. Fourth question. Time and distance, easy. If you know the formula, easily you can solve the problem. Ajay and Vijay travel from A to B at 17 kilometer per hour. Here they are given 17 kilometer, 19 kilometer respectively. Then Ajay and Vijay, first I will draw. Okay, this is A, B. Ajay Vijay travel from A to B at 17 kilometer per hour and 19 kilometer per hour. Ajay Vijay I will write. AJ VJ I will write. Okay, both they will travel. Then Ajay speed it will be 17 kilometer per hour. Then Vijay's it will be 19 kilometer per hour. Then A is 72 kilometer away from B. What is the distance between A and B? 72 kilometer. Between A and B it will be 72 kilometer. They are given in the question. Up to here. Okay. Then Vijay reaches B first and returns immediately and meets Ajay at C. Okay. Vijay first he will reach B, again he will come back, he will meet the Ajay at the point C. This is the point where both Ajay and Vijay both they will meet. Then meets Ajay at C. Find the distance between B and C. Find the distance between B and C. Distance we don't know, consider as x. If this distance is x, the distance between A and C, this it will be 72 minus x. This Vijay, he will travel from A to B, then again he will come back, he will meet Ajay at the point C. Then what is the distance between C and D? They are asking here. Then here also the time taken by both Ajay and Vijay it will be same. Time it will be same here. Because both at same time they will be meeting at C, at the point C. Then time of Ajay it will be equal to time of Vijay. Then you know the time it will be equal to distance divided by speed. Distance of Ajay, speed of Ajay, it will be distance of Vijay divided by speed of Vijay. Then you know distance of Ajay it will be 72 minus x divided by, I will show in the picture. See, distance of Ajay, this distance he will cover 72 minus x, speed it will be 17 kilometer per hour. 17 kilometer per hour. Then distance of Vijay it will be full. From A to B he will travel. 72 plus x, again he will come back, that is x. Then 19 kilometer per hour. He will move A to B, distance it will be 72. Again he will come back, he will return back. He will meet at a point C. Then this distance it will be x. Total distance it will be 72 plus x for Vijay. Then solve, you will get cross multiply 19 into 72 minus x, it will be 17 into 72 plus x. Then correct, 19 into 72 minus x, 17 into 72 minus x. Okay, 19 into 72 minus 19 into x, it will be 17 into 72 plus 17x. Take common term on side. Then 19 into 72. Take this term here. Minus 17 into 72. It will be 17x plus 19x. Then consider 72 as a common here. Then 19 minus 17, it will be equal to 36x. Then 36x, it will be equal to 72 into 19 minus 17 is 2. Then x, it will be 36 ones are 36 twos are, then 2 twos are 4 kilometer. What is the distance between B and C? Is the distance between the point B to C, it will be this point. I will show 1 minute. Okay, it will be here. It will be the distance between this one x, it will be 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer. Okay, those who are not able to understand, revise, listen 1 or 2 times, then it will be easy for you. Next, move to the next question. Definitely this type of question, definitely this one they will ask in the KSET exam. This one is very, very important. I will tell shortcut how to solve this type of question. Definitely this one they will ask. Next, Surendra travels from home to office by car with an average speed of 50 km per hour. Average speed they are given. Surendra, he will travel from home to office. Speed it will be 15 km per hour. Then he is late by 30 minutes. Roughly I will draw the clock here. Then this is, I will write here, this is 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, roughly I will draw here. Then he will become 30 minutes late. Okay, this the small, okay, 30 minutes late I will write here 30. Roughly I am drawing. I am not drawing the neat figure here. Okay, 30 minutes he will be late means this is 15 minutes. Then this is the 30 minutes. 30 minutes he will be late. From here, from the starting point, 30 minutes he will be late. But when he comes with a speed of 50 km per hour, then he will become 30 minutes late. When he will travel 60 km per hour, this also I will write kilometer per hour. 50 km per hour, 30 minutes late. Then 60 km per hour, then 10 minutes early. 10 minutes early. 10 minutes early, how you will indicate? This is the 10 minutes early we will indicate here. This is 10 minutes. This is the 30 minutes. Then here when you are solving like this question, see if here both the speed are different here, then you can observe the time. One time is like 30 minutes late, another one is 30 minutes early. Okay, earlier. Okay, 30 minutes earlier. Then here in this case you have to calculate the time difference T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2, here one is coming late, another one is coming early. This case you have to add the timings. If both also late, then you have to subtract the timing. If both also early, then you have to subtract. When you are all having opposite sign, like one is coming late, another is coming early, like opposite one you have to add. But if when the case comes late, you have to subtract. When the case come early, both the case also you have to subtract. But here consider as a opposite. At one speed he will come late, another speed he will come early. And this time T1 minus T2, the difference it will be same. Always you will consider the difference. Whether I will solve like that problem also, then you will come to know in which case we have to add the time, in which case we have to subtract. I will tell in detail. But here this difference in time, it will be 40 minutes you have to add, because one is late, another one is early. When you see the diagram, you will come to know whether you have to add or you have to subtract. See, this is 30, then plus 10, 30 plus 10 is 40 minutes. Then T1 minus T2, this is the time difference. Then now substitute the formula, it will be easy for you. Here both the case, different case, distance D1 minus S1, it will be D2 divided by S2, it will be 40 minutes. Convert in terms of hour, 40 by 60 hour, because they are given speed and distance in terms of kilometer per hour, therefore 40 divided by 60 you can do it here. Then first one, distance it will be same, then we can consider as d. Here distance it will be same, therefore I will consider only d. Distance it will be same, only he will change the speed. Here they are, read the question carefully. Surendra travels from home to office by car with an average speed. One speed is 50 kilometers, another one is 60 kilometer, but this distance it will be same. Consider D. First one is 50 kilometer per hour, another one is same distance, it will be 60 kilometer per hour. Difference it will be 40 divided by 60. Now you can take common difference. Which one is easy for you? Solve like that. Consider d by 10 as a common, then 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, it will be 40 divided by 60. Cancel 0 0. D here LCM it will be 30, then 6 by 5 it will be equal to 40 divided by 6. Then D it will be equal to 1 by 30, 40 by 6. Then D it will be equal to 40 into, you can cancel here, otherwise directly you can cancel here, otherwise write and cancel, which one is easy for you, do it. 6. Then with this one 3 tens you can do, 3 twos are, then 2 ones are, 2 20s are, it will be 200 kilometer. The distance it will be 200 kilometer. Very easy question. See, like this problem definitely it will come in KSET this year. Like this problem definitely they will ask. Two same distance in two different speed. At one speed, lower speed he will reach late, higher speed he will reach early. When you are having like this, you have to calculate the difference in time. When you are one time is late, another another time is early, you have to add the timings. Don't subtract. Even the net time it will be subtract, but T1 minus T2 value it will be addition of these two timings, difference in timings. Okay. Then if you know that trick, you can solve very easily. Like that, one more problem is here. I will tell here. We have to add or subtract. This is also very important question. Same as I solved the last one. Same. Rohit drives from his home at a speed of 30 kilometer, reaches his bank 20 minutes late. Roughly, I will draw 20 minutes late. I will, this is consider 15. I will write here 20 minutes. Okay. Late. 20 minutes late means we have to go it back, no, not this way. Okay, 20 minutes late. Better move back. Okay, maybe here 20 minutes late. This is 15. This is 20 minutes. Okay, I will write consider. Late means we will consider back. Early means no. Late means we have to. Okay. 1 minute. Late means we have to, time it will be more, no. See, Rohit drives from his home at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour, reaches his bank 20 minutes late. Late means time it will be more, means what I drawn first, that won't be correct. Don't get confused. 20 minutes more. Early means we have to draw here, but 20 minutes more. Don't get confused. Then the next day he increases its speed by 15 kilometer per hour, but still he is late by 8 minutes. Still he is late by this 8 minutes. Then first speed it will be, what is the first speed? That is 30 kilometer per hour. Then second speed it will be 30 plus, in that one increased by 15, it will be 45 kilometer per hour. Then here also you have to calculate the timing. This is 8 minutes, this is 20 minutes late, correct? No. Then here also T1 minus T2, it will be, I told no, when you are having the timings late, early, that time you have to subtract 2 minus 8, 20 minus 8, it will be 12 minutes. Both also late, this also late, this also late. When you are having same pattern, late, early like that, then you have to subtract the timings. When you are having late, early like that combination, you have to add the timings. That is the little trick you have to remember when you are solving like this problem. This it is same, T1 minus T2, the time difference it will be same. Then this it will be equal to distance, it will be same, then speed it will be differ. This is 12, then convert in terms of hour, 60. Then distance, first speed is how much? First speed it will be 45. What is the speed? First one, 30. Then increased one it will be 45. This it will be 12 by 60. Then take LCM between 30 and 45. What is the LCM here? LCM it will be 90. Then 3D minus 2D, it will be 12 divided by 60. Then you can cancel it here. 0, 0, it will, okay, one more step I will write. Then D divided by 90, it will be 12 divided by 60. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 3 3s are 3 2s are, then 2 1s are 2 6 are 6 3s are 12. Distance it will be, sorry, 6 3s are 18 kilometer. Distance it will be 18 kilometer. Very easy problem. If you know the problems, easily you can solve. If you know the trick, easily you can solve. Next question, 7th one. Pratik travels 96 km at a speed of 16 km per hour. 96 km at a speed of 16 km per hour using a bike. Then 124 km in 31 km per hour by car. Another 105 km at 77 km per hour. Then find the average speed of the entire distance traveled. Very easy question. Write the total distance here, add all the distance. Here they are given the 3 case. Add all the distance, 96, 124, 105, it will be 325 kilometers. Simplification I will not explain more because I know you are very good at simplification. Then total time it will be T1 plus T2 plus T3. We are having 3 different cases. Okay. Then this it will be equal to D1 by S1, D2 by S2. Here I am explaining everything, but in the exam no need to write all the steps. You can take, directly you can solve. Then average distance it will be 96 by 16 km per hour. Then 124 by 31 plus 105 divided by 7. Then cancel it. 16 ones are 16 6 are 31 ones are, then this one 4s are 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 15s are. Then add all together, you will get 25 hours. 25 hours. 25 hours. Then here average, you know, you have to calculate the average speed. How you will calculate the average speed? Total distance divided by total time taken. Total distance is 325 divided by 25. It will be 13, yes, 13 kilometer per hour. Very easy question. No need to explain more. I will go fast. Very, very easy question. Next one. Next question. Two more questions are there. I will move it fast. Rohit covers 1/4 of the total distance at 20 km per hour. Consider total distance. We don't know. Consider total distance as capital D kilometer. Then Rohit covers 1/4. 1/4 means D by 4th. It will be 20 km per hour. Then again in that one, again 1/4 means D by 4th. It will be 10 km per hour. Then remaining rest means how you will calculate? D minus D by 4 plus D by 4. Otherwise directly you can consider D by 2 also, but I will tell how to. 2D divided by 4, then 2 ones are 2 2 are, then D minus D by 2, it will be again 2D minus D by 2 is nothing but D by 2. Then this remaining D by 2, this it will travel with 80 km per hour. Otherwise no need to do all these steps. See, this is 1/4, 1/4, it will be D by 2, 80 km per hour. Total time taken, it will be T1 plus T2 plus T3. Then T1 means D by 4 at 20 km per hour. Again D by 4 at 10 km per hour. Remaining D by 2, it will be 80 km per hour. Then simplify here. D by 24 is 80. Then D by 10 into 4, 40 plus D by 80 into 2, 160. Take LCM here. LCM it will be 160 here. Then 2D plus 4D plus D. 1 minute. Okay. Then this it will be equal to 670 divided by 160. Then here next step you have to calculate the average speed. Average speed, how you will calculate? Total distance divided by total time taken. Total distance is nothing but time taken. Total distance is nothing but capital D. Total time taken is 70 divided by 160. DD get cancelled, then take the reciprocal of this one, 160 divided by 7 kilometer per hour. This is the actual one. Rohit average speed of the whole distance. Average speed of the whole distance, it will be 160 by 7 kilometers. Okay, let us move to the next question. This one is easy. Last one. Easy question. Okay. Last question. A car traveling with 5/7 of its actual speed. Actual speed I will consider as S1. Then 5/7 of the actual speed. Like this. Then 42 kilometers. Time is given. Find the actual speed of the car. Find the actual speed means S1 you have to calculate. Then here Time here they are given. Time it will be 1 hour 40 minutes, then 48 second. Convert all the units in terms of second. 1 hour it will be means 63,000. I will write directly 3,600 second. Directly we can write, no, 1 hour means 3,600 second. This one 40 into 60 second plus 48 second. This also second, this also second. Then add, you will get here 6048 second. Then you know speed it will be distance divided by time. Actual speed is comparison speed. Here they are given 5 by 7 of the actual one. It will be equal to total distance 42,000 divided by it. This it will be in meter. Then 6048. This it will be in terms of second. Then cross multiply here. You will get actual speed. It will be 42,000. Take the reciprocal here. 7 divided by 6048 into 5. If you simplify, you will get here 350 divided by 36 meter per second. But speed always we will represent in terms of kilometer per hour. Therefore 350 divided by 36. I will tell the shortcut how to convert. If it is there in the meter per second, the shortcut it will be multiply with 18 by 5. Then you can easily convert kilometer per hour. Then simplify here. This is 1s, 2s, then again 1s. This is okay. I will cancel with 5. Sorry, 5 1s, 5 70s, then again 2 1s, 2 35s. Then here you will get 35 kilometer per hour. To convert meter per second, you have to multiply 18 by 5. If you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, take the reciprocal of this one, 5 by 18. That is the shortcut. Those who are watching now, already I finished 7 or 8 problem based on the topic speed, distance and time. Some questions are very, very important. I explained in detail. Please, those who are live now, those who are joined now, this is the last problem. I am almost, this is the end of the class. Those who are you are watching now, please start watching the classes from the beginning. Definitely it will helpful for you. Okay, 2 more classes based on the topic. I'm here to based on the topic quantitative aptitude. From now onwards, how much possible varieties of questions I will include. Okay, in this class I discussed very, very important questions they will ask in quantitative aptitude, that is speed, distance and time. This is KSET 2023 preparation. I will concentrate only on the quantitative aptitude. Now onwards, at least every day one classes I will take, one different topic I will take each day. In that particular time, how much possible varieties of questions I will cover. Those who are interested, please watch my video, support my YouTube channel. Then tell me your feedback, which topic you need in the quantitative aptitude in the next one, whether you want any other topic in KSET, whether you need a general topic or then child development like psychology topic, then computer, any general, any other topic, any other separate section you need in this one. Okay, please tell me in the comment how will be the class. It will help for me to which topic I have to take in the next class. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching my class. We will meet in the next class. Okay.